midnight. A $90,000 promotion email glows in the dark, right above a maxed-out credit card statement. You think this raise makes you the CEO of your life, but you're actually just renting liabilities. Before you spend next month's new paycheck on an illusion of wealth, let's look at how elite allocators build a personal holding company from scratch, starting with your very next raise. If you've ever felt broke despite earning more, hit that subscribe button to Money Levels. We decode the levels of true financial freedom. Meet Oliver, a 31-year-old systems engineer stepping into level 1, the W-2 earner. His hard work pays off as his salary shoots up to $90,000. Instantly, an invisible pressure appears. A showroom offers a premium electric vehicle via a PCP finance contract. A real estate agent suggests a city center apartment with a better view. These upgrades feel entirely reasonable to Oliver, just a fair reward for his new status. Around him, colleagues nod in genuine admiration. To everyone watching, Oliver was finally winning the game. But on his banking app, the numbers were preparing a brutal eviction notice for his peace of mind.
It starts quietly.
The moment that new contract is signed and the bigger numbers hit your bank account, something subtle shifts inside your mind. You tell yourself you've earned it, and you have. But this is where you step right into level 2, the rented lifestyle, driven by the psychological trap of lifestyle inflation. Oliver wasn't spending recklessly on wild luxuries. He just upgraded his world, one small, logical choice at a time. The local pub where he used to enjoy a casual weekend pint with mates slowly got replaced by a trendy, high-end boutique restaurant in the city center. The modest, budget-friendly holidays he used to plan on discount websites turned into carefully curated aesthetic getaways. After all, a professional engineer making $90,000 shouldn't be traveling like a broke student anymore, right? That is the subtle lie we tell ourselves. The real sting of lifestyle inflation is that none of these upgrades bring lasting happiness. The thrill of the premium car or the nicer view lasts for a month or two, and then the excitement completely fades. The luxury gym membership ceases to feel like a treat. It simply becomes the new baseline. Yesterday's luxury silently morphs into today's absolute necessity. And just like that, Oliver found himself tightly locked inside an exhausting financial loop. To fund this newly elevated image and keep up appearances, he had to keep spending every single extra dollar he made. His fixed costs were now heavily tied to his social status. To keep making that kind of money, he had to endure more stress, longer hours, and heavier workloads at his office. He was making far more money than he ever had in his 20s. Yet he was running his life like a business, with massive revenue, but zero profit margin. He was running faster and faster on a treadmill, just to stay in the exact same place. Oliver thought he was climbing the corporate ladder to wealth, but he had actually just signed a premium lease for a more expensive cage. On paper, Oliver is a massive success story. He sits comfortably in the top tier of earners, making $90,000 a year. Yet, if you log into his banking app right now and look past the shiny, sleek interface, his actual savings account holds less than $500. Every single month, his substantial paycheck arrives, and every single month, it completely vanishes. It isn't spent on wild, headline-grabbing luxuries. Instead, his net cash flow has been quietly sliced into tiny pieces by a dozen new fixed commitments. The automated direct debits for the premium car finance, the higher apartment rent, the luxury gym, and the upscale weekend dinners bleed his account dry before the month even hits the halfway mark. This is level 3, the fragile performance. It feels completely sustainable as long as every single day goes exactly according to plan. But life rarely works that way. Picture what happens when a sudden crisis hits. One cold winter morning, a major electronic component on his premium electric car fails, presenting a massive four-figure repair bill he didn't see coming. Or worse, his company announces unexpected corporate restructuring, and his secure position is suddenly at risk. Without an emergency fund, Oliver's beautifully curated lifestyle collapses like a house of cards. One broken part or one bad corporate meeting is all it takes to puncture the balloon. There is absolutely no buffer underneath the performance. Staring at his screen at midnight, a cold wave of anxiety washes over Oliver. He realizes he is actually far more vulnerable today than he was years ago when he earned $50,000 and lived a simple, minimal life. Back then, he had a modest safety net and very few heavy financial obligations. By climbing the career ladder and accepting a larger paycheck, he accidentally traded his true security for a temporary appearance of wealth. His income went up, but his actual stability completely disappeared. This financial suffocation has a scientific name: lifestyle creep.
It is an invisible tax that forces you to hand over your future freedom to maintain a temporary appearance.
We need to stop and look at why this trap is so effective. It is not because of a lack of intelligence or self-discipline. It is driven by a deep psychological phenomenon known as lifestyle creep. Think of it as an invisible tax. The very moment your income increases, society quietly levies an expectation tax directly onto your life. It demands that your car matches your new job title. It insists that your postcode reflects your current salary bracket. It convinces you that your old, comfortable baseline is no longer good enough. If you do not actively fight it, you pay this tax automatically, month after month, without even realizing it.
But what if you refuse to pay?
What if you step directly into level 4, the Personal Capital Allocator? You do not need millions of dollars to buy a massive corporate empire out in the real world to practice this. You simply need to start treating your own life as a personal holding company. To build this machine, you must understand the fundamental difference between looking rich and actually being free. Looking rich has never been easier. Anyone with a decent credit score can lease a shiny status symbol or rent a beautifully curated lifestyle by the month. But being free is entirely different. True freedom means waking up and knowing that you own your time, that an unexpected emergency cannot shake your foundation, and that your daily survival does not depend on next month's paycheck. Every single dollar Oliver spends on upgrading to a luxury vehicle or a flashier apartment is a dollar ruthlessly stripped away from his actual freedom. It is a dollar that can never experience the quiet, compounding magic of investment. Let's look at the math, because the numbers provide the ultimate clarity. When Oliver's salary jumped, his take-home pay created a massive monthly surplus. Imagine if he had chosen a completely different path. Imagine if he made the unglamorous choice to freeze his lifestyle right at his old $50,000 baseline. What if he took just $1,500 of that new monthly surplus and quietly diverted it into an invisible acquisition fund, putting it straight into a broad, diversified ETF or assets that generate real cash flow? Over the long term, at a historically average market return, that boring, invisible $1,500 a month would build quietly upon itself. Over 10 years, it wouldn't just be a basic safety net. It would grow into a life-changing, six-figure asset fortress. Instead of owning a driveway full of rapidly depreciating metal, Oliver would own his future. He would buy the ultimate luxury, the power to say no to any job, any bad corporate meeting, and any boss's mood ever again. This is just an illustrative example to help you understand the power of long-term compounding. Your actual results will depend on your income, expenses, returns, and investment choices. When you look through this lens, the illusion of the fake rich trap completely shatters. You realize you have been trading your finite life energy to buy things you do not truly need. Just to perform for an audience that isn't really watching, the structural cost of looking wealthy is losing the ownership of your time. But once you start building the machine that buys assets instead of appearances, the game changes forever. Recognizing the invisible tax of lifestyle inflation was Oliver's ultimate turning point. If he wanted genuine financial sovereignty, he had to stop playing by the arbitrary rules of consumer society. He decided to completely restructure his personal finances, treating his life not as a clearinghouse for bills, but as a wealth-generating machine. This brought him to level 5, the asset builder, anchored by a single, unglamorous, yet revolutionary strategy, paying yourself first through absolute automation. He didn't trust his own willpower to resist temptation, so he took his human emotions entirely out of the equation. On the very first morning his new, larger paycheck landed, his automated system went to work. Before he could even log into his banking app, before his eyes could register the higher balance and trigger an impulse to spend, the system quietly swept away $1,500. This capital was immediately distributed into 2 vital corporate branches of his personal holding company. The first portion flowed directly into a high-yield emergency fund, his defensive shield against the unpredictable shocks of life. The remaining balance was routed straight into a broad, diversified, long-term ETF portfolio, his sharp offensive weapon built to capture economic growth. In the beginning, watching his checking account balance stay exactly where it used to be felt strange, but very quickly, a profound sense of peace took over. Oliver began to find a quiet confidence in seeing his invisible wealth steadily expand on a simple digital screen. He no longer required a luxury car or a flashier flat to feel validated by his peers. He completely stopped performing for an audience that didn't care, and started allocating his life energy into a future that actually belonged to him. Real wealth is simply what you don't see. Never let a pay raise turn you into a slave to endless installments. Every single dollar you spend on maintaining a fake rich appearance is a dollar you ruthlessly steal from your own freedom. Choose the freedom. If this level-by-level breakdown changed the way you look at your next paycheck, drop a comment below with your thoughts, hit like, and subscribe to Money Levels. See you in the next level.